This is the outer view of Hotel Utpala, and it's just opposite Pantaloons MG Marg. So you can see this is our room at Gangtok at Hotel Utpala. This is our room. Please ignore the messed up part of the bed, since we are getting ready to have a Gangtok sightseeing, the 10-point sightseeing, which will come up in the next. And you can see the view. We have a balcony over there, 2 big windows, and the room is quite large. It's cost us 1,500 per day, per night. And here you can see Debolina ready for the breakfast. Now this is a view from outside the balcony. At the right hand corner you can see Kanchenjunga. You may not be able to see from in the video, but in our eyes we could see. It's a little bit fade since Kanchenjunga is always covered with the cloud, but in morning it was clear. But the view is beautiful. It's just beautiful and it's awesome. The room, what is cost?
Hi guys, you can see me having breakfast. We have ordered a chicken grill sandwich and gobi paratha, which cost us 150 plus 150, 300 rupees.
So see, you can see the reception area of our hotel. So this is a restaurant adjacent to the hotel, where breakfast, dinner, lunch, evening snacks, all things are available. This is a travel desk where you could book your tours.
Hi guys, now it's 11:15 AM and we are all set to go for Gangtok sightseeing. We have already booked the car. They will show us 10 points and the charge is like 1800 plus something extra for the parking, which will cost around 2000 max. So we have booked the car from the hotel only, and now we are all ready to go, and the details will be provided to you in the description box. If you want to stay in our hotel or take a travel tour from our hotel, then you will get every details in the description box.
Now we are at Chuten Stupa, Gangtok. This is a monastery and this is the entrance. Now we are at Chuten Stupa. This is one of the 10 points which we are visiting today at Gangtok. And as you can see, this is worth visiting. This is a Buddhist monastery. There is silence everywhere and it's really good. But one more thing guys, please remember, at Gangtok, mask is must.
Guys, we are now visiting the museum. This is our second destination for today. So as you can see, the museum is upwards and we are bound to make the video outside because camera is not allowed inside the museum. The name of this museum is Namgyal Institute of Tibetology, and the entry fee for the museum is 20 rupees per head. So we have bought 4 tickets. You can see the tickets. So now we are going to enter the museum, and we'll make the video from the outside only. Okay. Thank you.
So you could see the museum from outside over here, and here we have the entrance. And since camera is not allowed inside, we are showing you the outer clip, and it's beautiful from outside. The ambience is also very beautiful. So guys, in this museum you could see remainings of Lord Buddha and his followers and different lamas at 18th centuries and all, and the utensils used. This is a worth visiting museum. Please visit it and comment us how you have liked it.
Not only this, guys, but you can see also the things used by the lamas and the tantrics. You can see all the details about it, and you can even see the human skull and the how the tantrics used to use the human thigh bones for evacuating spirits from the place. You can see everything over here. Hi guys, this is the flower garden, and this is one of the 10 points which we are visiting. So the garden is very beautiful, and especially for the photographer and the videographer, this is a treat for them. There are several colorful flowers, and that too mountainous flowers. You can have a view of all the type of flowers. We don't know the name of the flowers because there are many, and you can also see bonsai over here. Beautiful bonsais, and it's just a treat for the photographers and a wonderful view for all the tourists.